Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and today we got something different again, you feel me, because it's quarantine and it's a little bit different, right? So as y'all know, we're not allowed to leave our houses and all that stuff, and hire me to the future because I know I'm gonna watch this video, and everyone else in the future, this is history right now. We're in quarantine, life sucks, and I'm not gonna lie, life it's been rough for me because personally I'm a really optimistic person most of the time. So it's been like, it's kind of a change of pace because it's like, it's not a good change of pace though. I've been like really down because this is like, I like going out with my friends, I like creating, I like shooting new things. So being in my room and just doing schoolwork and just editing old stuff is kind of getting to the point where it's like I'm running out of old stuff. I'm getting bored of what I'm doing every day. So I decided to not be bored and be productive, so I'm making a video and I'm talking to y'all because y'all make me happy and it makes me feel better when I make stuff for y'all and y'all like what I make. So we're here, and the idea for today is we're gonna make a picture in my room. Now the idea for the picture is an idea I've had for a while, but it's finally like a time to where it's like actually appropriate. And so the picture idea is basically an idea where I'm gonna be showcasing pretty much what a whole day of quarantine looks like in my room. And it's a pretty easy picture because there's only like really 3 things I do besides work out, and it's all in my room. So I'll show y'all right now. So first, I actually have a reference picture I took a couple months ago. I was with my boys. Throw a picture up right now. Boo, with my boys, right? So basically, how I'm gonna do this picture is I'm gonna change it with it being vertical, and then everybody in the picture is gonna be myself. So I'm going to have myself, a picture of myself on the floor playing video games. I'm gonna have a picture of myself on my desk doing schoolwork, and then I'll have a picture of myself like in my bed about to go to sleep. And then that's kind of the concept art for the picture. I don't know how it's gonna turn out just yet because I've practiced a little bit with like setting up the tripod and stuff like that. And it seemed like it was doable, so let's hop into it. And I'll teach y'all a little bit of Photoshop and stuff like that later on in the video. Alright, now that we're here, let's hop into Photoshop. We got our pictures. I already lined up the pictures a little bit so they're kind of in spot. There's no edit yet. And I'll teach y'all a little bit how to do some Photoshop really fast. So let's hop into it. So we have 4 images right here I put together. And right here on the left, I'm about to show y'all what a layer mask is. And pretty much what a layer mask is black shows and white reveals. So everything I have over this base image right now, the base image is this image right here. And then so basically I put this image over that image, and then on the right side where this arrow is right here, shows what is revealed, and the black is what's hidden. So the black keeps the rest of the image the same because it's not affecting it and it's not there. And then as you can see over here, this like me laying down, if I color that with the black, I disappear. Then if I cover myself with the white, I reappear because that white is showing and black hides. Now here's the before and edit alright, so right here I go into adding the rest of the color corrections after I have like the base edits put together. And then what these do is just all makes it seem like it's one picture and they're not edited together. What y'all think? I think it looked pretty good. Like, it really captures what quarantine is like. Like, I'm laying down playing games. I'm slumped down back, and then you know what I'm doing on a laptop. Quit playing, cause we all know what we're doing on a laptop. And then I'm editing. That's what I'm doing. It says edit me. Quit playing. And then so I'm pretty sure that's as far as pictures go. That's it. This video is a little bit rushed today, I'm sorry, but like I just kind of wanted to get a video out, try to get back in the rhythm of things. I promise the next videos will be a little bit better, but I just wanted to show y'all my process for this picture. picture will be up on Instagram, so if you want to go show us some love, Instagram will be in the link below. And yeah, thank you for watching, because honestly I've been really discouraged with YouTube lately, just because honestly y'all been doing great though. Like, I love the numbers I've been getting and all of that, but it's just like, it's kind of scary doing projects that aren't for like a story, because it's just like, I want my content to be helpful. So if this video was helpful to you, inspired you or anything like that, make sure to drop a comment down below, and make sure to stay creative and stay innovative.